Hi! In this video, we will continue the new chapter about the magnetic fields. We've talked about the attraction and repulsion between the magnets. What about the magnetic fields? How do they interact? You can tell whether the force between them will be attractive or repulsive by looking at the field patterns. When the force is attractive, the field lines seem to be reaching from one magnet to the other. On the other hand, when the force is repulsive, the field lines bend away from each other. Now, as a direct application, decide which figure goes for attraction or repulsion between the magnetic field lines. In the first figure, the field lines seems to go from one magnet to another. So, do they attract or repel? Yes, they attract. In the second figure, the field lines go away from each other. And so, is it attraction or repulsion? Yes, they repel. Now in this question we have to find out the poles, if they are north or south. And this can be figured out from the force of attraction between the two magnets and how the field line patterns act. Let's see the first pole. The given pole is north, and it's attracted to the pole number 1. So, is it north or south? Yes, it is south. That's correct. Now, of course, the magnet has opposite poles. So number 2 is north. That's correct. What about pole number 3? The field lines between the two magnets also attract. So it is south. That's also correct. And you can conclude that pole number 4 is north. That's correct. What about pole number 5? Here the field lines show that they cannot attract, they repel. So pole number 5 is also north, and that is correct.